We're unboxing the LTE-Advanced Cat 18 version of Peplink's FlexModule Mini. This is an expansion module built for the X series of Peplink routers that allows for an additional cellular connection. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. First, we have the module itself. Despite its small size, it has some weight behind it. This is partly because of its metal hardware. Since this is a Cat 18 modem, there are 4 total cellular connections. At minimum, you need to use cellular main and auxiliary A ports. Using all 4 ports will provide you the best connection possible. There are 2 SIM slots available, but because this is a single cellular module, only 1 SIM can connect at a time. Moving on, we have paddle-style cellular antennas, one for each of the 4 ports. Next, we have a metal plate that serves as a cover when using the module with routers like the Balance 380X. This cover is not necessary for use with the Balance 20X. Here's a look at how the cover lines up. Lastly, in case they are needed, we have some additional screws for attaching the module. That's everything that comes with the Cat 18 LTE-Advanced Peplink FlexModule Mini. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos about our products.